Today I'm going to create two videos. Number one is introduction to SQL Server reporting services, and number two is how to build report using Report Builder. We are going to build simple report using Report Builder and see how it works. So now we'll start now. Okay, SQL Server reporting services. Abbreviation is SSRS. So now onwards I'm going to call it SSRS. So SSRS is server-based report generation software developed by Microsoft. We administered it via using a web interface. We are going to look at interface in our next video. It can be used to prepare and deliver a variety of interactive and printed reports. SSRS is a business intelligence tool, so it competes with Crystal Report and tons other in the market. We can define SSRS in three sections. Number one, configuration. Number two, build or create report. Number three, manage report. First of the three sections is configuration. When we install SSRS, it is required to configure. Without configuration, it's not going to work. So we need this at first place. SSRS comes with SQL, but it has its own engine. This diagram explain you that SSRS is integrated with SQL, but it runs on its own. It has its own configuration tool. If you see on the right side, it says reporting services configuration manager, and it has its own Windows service. So if if our Windows service for SSRS is down, it's not going to affect SQL Server. Second in line is Report Builder. It's a really great tool to create report on ad hoc basis, and really you don't need any programming experience to create new reports. You just need the know-how of data, how data presents in the database, and how to present it on the report. So we are going over this in next video, how to build the report, but it's really simple. Using Report Builder, we may create report with table, charts, or in the next slide, if you look, it's all together. We have another report with chart, data in table form, and we may also use maps, which represent number of customers in each geographic location. There are several uses. It depends how deep you want to go in the reporting services, and if we try, we can have like complete course of 30 hours. I can teach reporting services. There are too many things which we can do with reporting services. Third in the list is manage. So once we build report and publish it on website, then we may have option to perform tasks, like we can move reports. If you look here, we select a report and then we move it. We can move to different folders. We can delete unwanted reports. The third option is edit in Report Builder. This option is available here, so you don't have to open the Report Builder and edit the report. You can just use this as a option and edit the report from here. So it will open report builder for you with the report in edit mode. Subscribe is very useful tool, but it's available only on standard or higher version of SQL. You may schedule reports with using subscribe. We may schedule reports. um, Reports will run on certain time of the day. You may create a copy of report on your hard drive or on network drive. You can email um, to group of individuals on certain time. Like what we do is like every morning I have a reports which runs every morning and send email to all the loan officers uh, for their pipeline, and they know what they need to do. So this is a really useful tool. Then there are options like create linked report, view report history, security, which is like very important. You can assign permissions to other people uh, to view the report. Then there is a manage. Manage is one window for doing all this stuff. Actually, you can see, move, delete, subscribe, everything on one window. There is the last one is download. Download is really useful command. It will allow you to download RDL file. RDL stands for Report Definition Language. You may keep a backup copy of your report, or if you want to give this report to someone else, so they can upload the file. They may need to change their data sources and data sets, but it's still helpful. They don't have to work on the formatting then. So this is all about introduction, but before jumping to next video, I want to explain you a little bit about report builder. When we create any report, we should prepare three items. We should add three items on our checklist: data source, data set, and presentation. Data source. Number one, from where, that's really important, from where you are getting your data. So source of the data. It means SQL Server name, database name, and authentication mode. How you want to get it. Second one is dataset. Means your select statement. It is really helpful if you already know table structure, relationship between tables, field names, and criteria. Third one is presentation. This means you should know how you want to present or display the report in front of others, because you are creating report for your management and they want to see certain information, like what is the progress of sales or something like that. So you create you should have an idea how you want to present. In next screen is similar to this one, but I just try to make it in the table format. So data source means where your data resides. Data sets, what data you need. And report layout is how you want to present it. We are going to conclude this video here and talk to you in next video. Thank you.